What happens when raw power meets legendary design? You get the Ford Mustang, a car that doesn't just move, it roars. For decades, this beast has ruled the roads, and the 2025 Mustang proves that the legacy is only getting stronger. Welcome to Auto Analyst, your go-to place for smart car reviews, bold insights, and everything on wheels that thrills. Let's jump straight into the iconic pony car, the Ford Mustang. The 2025 Ford Mustang comes with a range of powertrains, but the real showstopper? The 5.0-liter Coyote V8, pumping out a brutal 480 horsepower. That's not just speed, that's heritage built into every rev. And for the ones who crave control, the available 6-speed manual is still here, proving Ford hasn't forgotten the purists. Now for the special features. The Mustang's 12.4-inch customizable digital cluster blends classic muscle with cutting-edge tech. It also packs the new Sync 4 system, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and even a drift mode in the Dark Horse model. From the outside, it's pure aggression. A sculpted hood, tri-bar LED headlights, quad exhaust tips, and a widened grille scream performance. And with sharp lines and fresh aerodynamics, this Mustang doesn't just pay tribute to its past, it owns the future. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the scene, the Mustang delivers raw emotion on 4 wheels. If you enjoyed this ride, smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and tell us in the comments, is the Mustang still king of the muscle cars? This is Auto Analyst, where cars come to life.